Hello, beautiful people. So this video is about how you can move down to the Netherlands for free. And when I mean for free, everything is going to be paid for, like all expense paid, basically. So everything for your journey, everything is paid for, your flight tickets, your accommodation, your upkeep, everything is paid for on this pathway. And New Zealand is one of those amazing countries in Europe. It's in the Schengen zone. It's an EU country, amazing, amazing country. Quality of life is very high. Education, healthcare, everything is world class. And I have a lot of subscribers that have been asking for ways to move down, and so many people want to move down. So I had to do my research and I came up with this particular pathway that I believe would be a good fit for you. So if you want to move down, then this is the video for you. Do stick with me on this video. I'm going to show you everything, the eligibility criteria, who can apply, and all the information, how it works, and everything you need to know about how to move down to New Zealand for free. So if we are just meeting, if this is your first time watching my video, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to the channel. Do subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so you would always know every time I share another video. So on my channel, I share content that is going to help you to migrate abroad, to study, to work, or to live, regardless of what pathway you want to take, whatever your situation may be, your educational qualification, your professional history, your budget, if you have dependents, whatever it is, there is content for you on my channel. So you can check out my previous videos. I have videos on how to move down to the UK, to Canada, to Australia, to America, Japan, Germany, Portugal, so many countries, right? So there's something for everyone on my channel. So do check out my old videos and also watch out for more videos I'm going to be posting. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my channel. I do appreciate the support. I see all your likes, all your shares, all your comments. It's really amazing. I get emails from people and they tell me, oh, my cousin sent me your video, my brother sent me your video. It makes me so happy that I have the best subscribers in the world. Thank you so very much. So if you want to have a private call with me, just a one-on-one call, me and you, about how you can relocate, I have a link in the comments section and also in the description box as well, where you can just click that link to book a private call with me, or you can send me an email or send me a message on Instagram, and then we'll get to work that out. All right. Okay, so let's get into the information for today. This opportunity is very interesting and it's through a fully funded scholarship. It's a fully funded scholarship to study for a master's degree or for short courses in Netherlands. So you can go study for your master's or you can go study for short courses in Netherlands on this fully funded scholarship. All right. So let me tell you who is eligible for this scholarship, right? So if you work for ministries, secondary or higher vocational or academic education institutions, you work for universities, you work for the private sector, or you work for commissions or NGOs, then you can apply for this. You must be a professional who has multiple years of relevant work experience, and you must be a citizen or a resident of one of the following countries. So let me just read the countries to you, all right? So Bangladesh, Benin, Burkina Faso, Burundi, Colombia, Congo, that is the DRC, Egypt, Ethiopia, Ghana, Indonesia, Iraq, Jordan, Kenya, Lebanon, Mali, Mozambique, Niger, Nigeria, Palestinian territories, Rwanda, Senegal, Somalia, South Africa, South Sudan, Tanzania, Tunisia, Vietnam, and Yemen. So if I mention your country, then you are eligible to apply. And if I didn't mention your country, I'm going to share more opportunities for you, so not to worry. Okay, so let's go back to the eligibility, right? So the next thing on the list is that you must hold a valid identity document. So your passport is enough. And then you must have been admitted to a course that is eligible for this scholarship. I'm going to show you the courses eligible in a bit. And then you must provide a government statement with the scholarship application as well. And your employer must be able to support the scholarship application through a positive reference. So you need a reference from your employer to apply for the scholarship. So as you can see, it is for people that are working, because that is a very vital document for this application. So the name of the scholarship is the Orange Knowledge program. It is called OKP for short, the Orange Knowledge Program. And this program offers scholarships funded by the Dutch Ministry of Foreign Affairs, available for short courses that are from 2 weeks to 12 months and for master's programs that are from 1 year to 2 years. So if you want to do any of this, then you can apply for this scholarship. So this OKP scholarship has an increased focus on study programs related to themes of sexual and reproductive health and rights, security, and the rule of law. So if you want to do something under these two themes, then you're good to go. So you must do something that falls under these two themes. And you may be wondering what language you need to speak to do this. So you need to speak English or French for you to follow up on your courses in the Netherlands. So you need either English or French. So if you speak one of the other, then you're good to go. Another thing about this scholarship that you need to note is that every country has their own specific priority theme, right? So every country has a theme that they are focusing on. And the main priority areas for this OKP are under sexual and reproductive health and rights. They have security and rule of law. They have food and nutrition security and water management. So let me show you a list of the countries and their areas of priority. So for Ethiopia, for example, the priorities are food and nutrition security, with emphasis on dairy, horticulture, and water in support of food and nutrition security. And then they have sexual and reproductive health and rights, and they also have security and the rule of law. So those three areas are the priority themes for Ethiopia. So the priority themes for Ghana is food and nutrition security and water management for agricultural production, focus on entrepreneurship and the development of the private sector, focus on cocoa and horticulture with emphasis on climate smart agriculture, digitalization, soil health, access to water for food, and entrepreneurship in the colleges of agriculture and other stakeholders provided in the sector. So there is a list that shows every country eligible and what their priority themes are. So I'm going to leave a link in the description box. As a matter of fact, I'm going to leave links for everything that has to do with this scholarship in the description box. So you can go ahead and see all the information about it, right? How to apply and all of that. So for deadlines for this, right, it's going to open on the 28th of June, 28th of this month. So for deadlines, right, the application for this is going to open on the 28th of June and close on the 5th of September. So the 28th of June is just days away. So you need to prepare for this ahead of time so you can be ready to apply once it opens. All right. And that is why I'm doing this video now, so that you can prepare for it, have all your documents ready, get the referral letter from your employer, from the government, and all the documents you need for this to be ready, so that once it's the 28th of June and it opens, you can apply. All right. So how do you find a study program for this, right? So it's not all the programs in the Netherlands that are open, right? So you need to find a program that is qualified for this OKP scholarship. And there are currently 405 programs that are available right now. So these are the programs. You have religion, conflict, and globalization. You have planning, land, and real estate development, humanities, research. This is a long list of it. So you can go through this list and see which of them you would like to apply for, and then go ahead and apply, because you need to apply to one of the programs that are eligible for this scholarship. All right, so all information, like I said, is going to be in the description box. So there is so much to this. So you actually need to go through the website and see the information for yourself, because there is so much. You'll see information about this scholarship, about the countries, the requirements, how to apply, the deadlines, selection procedure, and if you need help. So there is so much information about this. So do check out the link so you can see everything you need to know about this. So give this video a thumbs up. That is a like if you found this information helpful, and also share the video with other people so they can take advantage of this as well. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can be seeing more information like this, and turn on your post notification bell so every time I post a new video, you'll get to know and watch it in good time. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in the next video.